Hi, I'm Danish Umbrason. Today I am showing you this wonderful bird and it makes sound in real bird way and it's RSPB. You can get it on Amazon, not the video Amazon, as in the Amazon where you can buy things, not buy movies, and buy like toys from Wild Republic. And this bird is called a Bluethroat, and this bird is rather like a blue-breasted robin. And if you look at the back, it's only white, and you can see the tail. It has many colors, and if you look very closely, there's a little white wavy things. Those are to show the feathers. They show it lightly so it wouldn't ruin how it looks, and it looks very realistic. But just so you know, it doesn't have real feathers. And also, if you look super closely, it's actually like something soft, and it's really comfy, and you can use it to sleep with, but just don't hug it, otherwise you'll be like all night because it keeps making noise. And it makes noise twice. So if I go 1 and 2. So it makes 2 noises at a time, and that's it. Bye bye.